Janine Gutierrez nagpakita ng pagsuporta kay Jericho Rosales sa premiere night ng Quezon.
Actually piqued your interest when it comes to the film Quezon. Parang, oh my God, I need to watch this film.
Well, syempre, simula pa lang ng Bayaniverse, nakatutok na tayong lahat. So talagang hindi pwedeng palampasin itong Quezon. Mahilig talaga ako sa history and I think bilang Pilipino, nakaka-proud na meron tayong mga ganitong classic, sobrang tegalitan ng mga historical film. And looking forward for everyone to support the film.
Wow. And now, of course, just to make some kilig, if you have a message for Quezon, for President Quezon, what message would that be?
Well, of course, congratulations in advance sa buong cast ng Quezon. Sobrang laki ng cast. Of course, congrats to Echo and the DAF and sa lahat ng buo ng PBA. And I'm just really, really excited to watch it. Narinig ko na yung mga nakapanood na sobrang ganda ng reviews. So,